Kat and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple of techniques for increasing in knitting. This means we start out with a certain number of stitches and increase to a larger number of stitches. The first technique is called KFB, which stands for knitting in the front and back of a stitch. So for my little pattern I did here, I've knitted the first edge stitch. And for KFB, we're increasing a stitch from a stitch. So we're gonna knit normal in front, not take it off the needle, and then we're going to knit in the back. That's KFB, knitting in the front and back of a stitch. And it creates, as you can see here, this little bump. So that extra stitch just came from this stitch. So here it is again. Go into the stitch like we're going to knit, but don't take it off of the needle. And then we're going to knit also in the back. I've used the KFB increase stitch quite a bit in raglan sweaters, and I'll show you here on a Barbie size one that I've done. This is how it looks. All the KFBs. Now I'm going to show you how to do make one left and make one right. When we do the make one left increase, it goes this way, and when we do the make one right, it goes this way. All right, so I'm going to knit my first edge stitch. Now, the make one left, in between the first stitch and the next stitch, you take this horizontal bar, pick it up, and you go like this. Or go from the back like this and set it on your left needle, and you're going to knit in the back of that. That's a make one left. And now I will knit toward the end of the row and show you the make one right. Okay, now the make one right, look for that horizontal bar, go from the front. I'll do it again. Go from the front underneath and pick it up and set it on the left needle like so. And then we're going to knit into the front of it, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and purl the next row, and then I'll show you how to do those again. We can go from the back, and we're going to knit in the back of that stitch. Just like that. And again, the make one right. Go underneath that horizontal bar, put it on the left needle like this, and knit through the front. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps.